Hello everyone, today let's talk about a differential oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and metal. The color is black and there is red brown. Look, there has with a spring. And this is a differential oil seal. The size is internal diameter is 85 and the external diameter is 120 and the sink is 10 and 21. This is a differential oil seal applicable to Hande bridge, and it has many folio features. The first one is longer service life and good brush resistance, high temperature resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud per water, thickened spring and thickened skeleton, good structure, and it applicable to heavy truck. This is a differential oil seal and welcome everyone to inquire and order. I will give you a discount